Hi everyone. Can we make the cheapest lens ever? All I have is some aluminium foil, a pin and a tube. Now this could be a cardboard tube, but I actually do have some extension tubes, completely hollow, that fit my Nikon D700 here. So my thinking is if I get a number of these tubes and put them together and then get a piece of foil and then just put that over the top like that. Put some tape around there, grab a pin and put a hole in the middle. Now theoretically that is a lens. Let's see what sort of results we get. The interesting thing I'm going to try also, once I've got that organized, I'll put a number of different tubes together and see whether I can make a number of different lenses. So a short lens, a medium lens and a long lens. So maybe that's going to be the same as a wide angle lens, a 50mm, maybe a 105mm. And let's see whether we can actually create an image without using glass, but just a piece of foil with a hole in it. Now, should that work, I'm going to try something else. I'm going to see whether you can actually create a perspective shift lens with a bit of foil, just by actually putting the hole to one end. So we can cover that one off and just leave the hole to one side of the lens and maybe the other side, and particularly on a wide angle variety, see whether we can change the perspective shift in the photograph as well. Excited? Let's see whether this works. So this is taking me back to the good old primary school days around making a box and putting a pinhole in there and trying to take a photograph with that. Anyway, let's give it a go and see what sort of results we get. So my reference lens here is the 105mm 1.4 f-stop 1.4 with the full extension tubes. Coincidentally, this is a 105mm lens with the foil, and it's f128. You still get an image, not very clear, but it's still got an image. Now the next reference lens is a 55mm f2.8 with a shorter extension tube. I've managed to get the same 55mm or thereabouts, and this is actually f64. This photo I took was with the dot in the middle of the lens. Next photo I'm taking with the hole in the foil down the bottom, and then the last foil with the foil at the top there, so we'll be able to see what the difference in images are. So having the photographs now side by side, you can see the center is on the left and the hole at the top gives you a different, and then when the hole at the bottom, you can really see the difference between the two. And then when you compare the two photographs with the hole at the top and the hole at the bottom, you can see the different perspectives that you're achieving. So we achieved a result. Isn't that exciting? You can see it was a cheap lens and the results show it, but foil. Now, what does that mean? If for some reason you need to capture an image and you've got nothing other than a piece of paper or a bit of foil, then you can actually create an image and create your own lens. But I'm not entirely sure whether I'm going to be doing this again. The quality is not very good. I can understand why you need some glass to actually focus the image. Anyway, it was a bit of an experiment. Hope you enjoyed the video. My next one will be a bit more higher quality as far as photographs are concerned rather than a piece of foil. I'll have better lenses next time. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, Griniflix Adventure 8 YouTube channel, and press like if you like it, make comments, whatever. And we'll see you on the next video. Cheers, bye.